it's moving day. I don't know how to feel. I'm nervous a little bit, but I'm excited. I'm literally just laying here like taking it all in. I'm missing the airplanes. It's the end of an era and it's really sad. Bittersweet because I'm excited to go to the other place. Oh my god. Bye. It's so empty. Literally everything except my calendar has been taken off the wall. This is the big ball of tape and command strips going right in the trash. Oh no, not this picture.
No, is it the one of the...
So now we put everything that was a memory, which is most of the stuff that was like hanging on my door, into my memory box, and everything that was like hanging up on the walls in my room, actual decor, is gonna go into the decor box. This is my junior year box. We've got some cards, my race medals, some flowers. It's pretty heavy this year, mostly from my medals because I did run a lot. It's gonna be at least like 5 pounds onto my suitcase. And now I'm going to try to fit as much of this into this box that I can before I start like making a box. This is mostly seasonal stuff and like arts and crafts and stuff from the year. Update, I got all but 2 things fit in there, which I would call a success. Probably could get them to fit. Probably not this one because it's actually really big. I'm really lazy right now and I know I can just fit them in somewhere else. So the box is looking like it's pretty full, but it saves me like 3 of those round boxes, so I'm not gonna complain. I like that. I keep forgetting to vlog. I am cleaning out Abby's little personal corner, which is like where I kept all my laundry stuff and like my yoga mat, my snorkel stuff, everything like that. That's getting cleaned up today. So is my desk. Also cleaned the bathroom, so I got all my bathroom stuff out and together. I'm stressed. This is what it looks like now. Anyway, Helen and I also deep cleaned the bathrooms. You want to take them on a tour?
This is our bathroom, and inside there's practically nothing. Oh, I thought you meant you vacuumed, and then we took this Swiffer and we put one of the wet Swiffer thingies on there, and then we Swiffered it. You wiped down the toilet. And
I did like the little that thing in it yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we Cloroxed all the dirt particles that
True.
were on in the corners and nooks and crannies and stuff. We showed them that we removed the...
This was in the bathroom, but we took this out because this is going with me and cleaned it and everything, so.
And there was a pretty carpet in here and a pretty ooh, what is that? Anyway, we took away the pretty curtain and the display for our shower stuff, so all of our...
And we mopped the floors. And we also deep cleaned the shower. Like, this shit was dirty. It's not dirty anymore.
It's good. It smells good.
We're not messing with that because
yeah,
they told us it was paint chips. So.
I told Abby today she had allergies, so school likes
It's not allergies.
School likes to lie.
I did not vlog. I was like on a mission and then I got overwhelmed. Almost everything is gone out of my room. The only things left to pack is this bedding that I'm currently sleeping on. And then my clothes, but those are just gonna go like still in the hangers, just put trash bags over them kind of deal. Wow. I'm shocked. So we have this pile back here. That still needs to be in a suitcase. Got that. Most of it Actually, a lot of it's under my bed. I've got like 3 suitcases under my bed. And the rest are in the hallway just because I don't want them in here. And I'm taking it in the sunset because it's really nice tonight. Kind of sad a little bit. Mostly excited. Last sunset. LOL update. All my clothes have been bagged except these pants, but I had to buy new bags. Everything is emptied out for the most part. I just have this stuff on my bed that I need for tonight. Other than that, it's pretty empty in here. It's so sad. This is what it's looking like. It's empty. Crazy. That's all mine. And then so is all of this. Oh, that's a lot of stuff.
Hi, Abby's vlog. I'm eating banana chips. Banana snack with artificial flavor.
It is 11, and I think I am fully packed except for this, which I'm sleeping on tonight, but it's just gotta go in a trash bag and then in the car. Hey vlog squad, I forgot to vlog, but I got my friends here. We packed up the back of the truck, round 1, and we're gonna go pick up the keys now and go to my apartment. Ryan's just chilling. Look at Ryan just chilling. LOL.
Okay, vlog.
We got the keys. So this is the living area. Ryan, hello. Jackie, Joey. This is the living area. And then you come in here and you've got the kitchen. And it's blue. Jackie, did you see the kitchen?
I did.
It's blue.
Joey said it's...
And you got the washer and dryer. And this goes outside. See? We've got this little breakfast nook right here. Come around the corner. And it's the living area. Oh my gosh. And you got another outside door right here too, and you can go around that way. Bathroom number 1. They're actually bigger than I remember. We've got the master bedroom. Hey! Look at all the shelves, Jackie.
I know.
And
oh my God.
And the bathroom.
Wait.
Got this blue bedroom. And then this one. Hey vlog squad, so we just dropped off another load. This is like our second trip, second load technically. We're gonna go pick up our 3rd load. Yeah, it's exciting. We only have my clothes left in the dorm and the Joey's like cut out of it, I'm sorry. There we go. We only have my clothes left.
Wait, he's still cut out of it.
Fuck. We only have my clothes left in the dorm and the fridges, but the fridges are probably gonna stay there. Hey vlog squad. We've missed a lot. We dropped off my microwave at Best Buy. I can't retell the story because then it's not as funny.
I'm not telling the story.
And then we went to lunch. We ate lunch at Bangkok Chef. We went to Target and they don't have what I need. So.
Because Abby can't read.
Girl boss move! Vlog, we're at Target and there are no boxes and Abby has no air mattress.
She's crying.
She's having a mental breakdown. We're mentally breaking down. I guess Home Depot has boxes too. Gang. Unfortunate for us.
Sorry, this is a horrible vlog. We're just walking.
I know. No, but the point of the vlog is just to walk and then you know have casual conversation. Brian, go bring one.
I want it.
Get it. Abby said she'll get it. Abigail's getting some applesauce. That's what I'm saying. You could sleep in one of those. It's only $30.
What if I slept in one of these for a week? Please do it.
Abby's gonna sleep in one of these.
I want to walk into that. There you go.
The surfboard. This is great content. My arm's getting tired. Joey core. Yeah, get those angles. I got $1.24 kiwis. I spent $200 on cleaning supplies and an air mattress.
Do I have a bald spot?
Anyway, we're getting boxes. We have less than an hour and a half I'm a little stressed about the time.
Cutting a little close here. It's fine.
Yeah. I forgot what I was saying.
I don't know. Drop them
Yeah,
off.
I think we'll just leave them there. Do you think we could carry the rest of the stuff to the apartment by
It'll
ourselves?
take us a couple trips, but it should be fine.
We have a few options. Do you need a ride? Yes. Get in. Hey, vlog squad. Yeah. Specifically wanted to sit in the back, even though it said not to sit in the back. But Joey's surrounded by clothes in the boxes. Oh my god, I'm sorry. On to the last load. Yeah! Okay, so another really late update. We got all the stuff put into my room. I changed and we put the car back. Now we are Ubering to the dorm because I want dinner and I don't own food. Well, it's either dining hall food or Abby's dinner would have been applesauce and water tonight. True. Very true. And there's a volleyball tournament thing and we're gonna go. So the meal of champs, dining hall food.
Absolutely dining hall food.
Yeah.
The men's volleyball team is coming back tonight and we're welcoming them home even though they lost. Lemon Lace.
Yeah, she made Lay's. And then she made this lay too, but I'm giving it out. I just got away. If you're watching this, call me. Oh my god, vlog squad. It's been a minute. My voice is like, I am sick. I have been for a few days, but I'm in the apartment and I'm unpacking my stuff and like kind of like moving it around to where it belongs. Then probably tomorrow I'll like actually work. I don't feel good. Can you hear that? It's so scary at night here. It's also for being hit by a like hurricane. The glass is literally shaking. It's 10:30. I've been home for about an hour and a half. I've been like organizing and cleaning like crazy. This place is disgusting. I didn't realize like how dirty it was. They definitely do not have like professional cleaners come in. I'm exhausted and I do not feel good at all. I'm gonna blow this up, take some meds, and shower in my slightly dirty but also clean shower. See how this goes. I'm hoping it goes good. I'm exhausted. I just want to sleep. And I hope it does not take long. But we'll see. Vlog squad, so slept here overnight. It was fun. And Nomi came over and she's helping me clean now. And we've officially like about to finish full kitchen, so yay. She's the mop.
I am.
Yeah, we don't own a mop yet, so Nomi's mopping. We vacuumed first and now she's mopping. The dishwasher doesn't work, which kind of sucks. And everything on like the outside's really gross and rusted. But we like cleaned all the counters, cleaned the cabinets, opened them up and cleaned the inside, cleaned the insides of literally everything. It's crazy, but we did good.